Niggas said they wanted that work, so I scraped them. Who the fuck said you was dope? I debate them. Even if you ball with LeBron, I go to state ya. A 7-course meal in the field, you just man bun. You ever notice how there's never one sneeze? It's always like 3 or 4. So somebody's like, bless you, bless you, bless you. You ever had somebody get mad at you because like you sneeze more than once? Like, I didn't ask to sneeze more than once, man. I didn't ask for this life that I live. I'm just living this life, brother. I'm just living this life that I live. This episode of Random Talk with Zardon is brought to you by hating for no fucking reason. Sometimes people just be hating for no fucking reason at all.